Okay, so here we are down the flying field with, can you believe this, MinimumRC BAE Hawk in Red Arrow scheme. This has a 30mm EDF in the back. How cool is that? Now I didn't build this because I'm not a very good builder. So I rely on Trevor, who's absolutely fantastic, and the wider family are building these things now, aren't they?
Got the wife doing it. There you go.
Oh my word!
We're going to get a flying scene, I reckon.
Lovely Sarah is building an F86.
It's a MiG.
A MiG?
Yeah, she's building a MiG at the moment.
Super. But we're going to try this out today. So in terms of putting this together, it arrives as a flat pack kit, am I right? So it's folded, what, 2mm Depron foam?
Yep.
Any comments on how easy it went together,
Oh,
Trev?
really easy. So the instructions are all like mainly photographs, so they're easy to follow. Sometimes if you're not too sure on one of the steps, just have a look at some of the pictures later on, and you can sometimes see how they've done it. But yeah, very easy to put together, and sort of thing you can do in an evening.
Right. I saw Cliff. There's a really great channel, YouTube channel out there by Cliff. I'll drop his link in the video description, but he built one of these and had a lot of fun flying it, so I thought I've got to have some of that. We're very much into jets on this channel. Small EDF all the way up to big turbines. So right, so I think in terms of the electronics which you get from MinimumRC as well, it's a board, and it has the servos on the board, or are they separate?
No, they're all separate servos, so they're tiny little micro servos. So I'm trying to think how many's in there. There's only 2 servos, and then you've got the motor plug straight into the receiver board, so it's got built-in electronic speed controller.
And there's a little bit of wood, so for the spar underneath.
Yeah, so the servos and the speed controller and the wing spars all mount onto like a little wooden structure inside, and then everything else is built around it. The EDF set unit is actually sort of mounted further back in the fuselage.
Alright, always advisable on a first maiden flight to get someone else to hand launch it for you, so you've got your fingers on the sticks. Here we go. Thanks, George.
Blowing a gale, it's doing really well.
That's not even...
Looks like it's flying really well.
Considering the wind.
Yeah.
Really calm day, that would be beautiful.
It would, wouldn't it?
Yeah, there's no gyros or anything in that, is there?
No.
So it's literally just you, the pilot, and the plane.
One cell.
Yeah, on a single cell 260. Now we've got another one of these kits, haven't we, from our friends at Banggood, so we'll have a little formation flight going on soon.
We'll have some dog fights as well. Probably not proper dog fights, but we had to do some...
Oh! God. Crunch. But... a little bit of a crunch and a little bit of damage, but this is thin Depron, so a bit of yoo-hoo pour and it'll be fixed and flying again. Yes, I didn't want to end that with a rough arrival. Always the way when you're flight testing.
But considering how it came in, there's virtually no damage.
No, that's easily fixable.
I think that bit's only a sticker as well on the bottom, so I'm not surprised the
No, it's
flap
just
come
popped
down.
out the pods on the side.
Ah,
So there you go.
very cool.
Are you in what's it mode on the? Can you press button 2 to get that close up?
Yeah, get your thumbnails.
Look at that.
Really
That is
cool,
just
isn't it?
amazing how that flew in this wind. 30mm fan on a single cell flying in a 20-mile-an-hour gale, relatively. So there you go. Thanks for watching Essential RC. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. A link to MinimumRC themselves. Look at their whole range. But as Trev said, you can get the whole family building these for a lot of fun in the evenings. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Trevor on camera. Thanks to George for moral support. See you soon. Bye. There we go.